Kani gadega patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Banyak keren, halor kajing wan Rung Kyrthep ki Mynder sheki jela jongan nga than chate la mingi. Bat kajing yo parong kerteng jongki hakathop kerteng thap bot ne ka electoral roll hakane ka kanti ki noilam jong Seng Bhalang na kaleng ki jela jongan nga than klai kendo lang banyak tai ba ya thersani bha halor kane kaman. Kabala banbo hakajing ma ya kalawai jong ki jaj ban reu lom hakane ka than chate la mingi hi burak away. Ya kasenjok jong ki Seng Bhalang kane ka than chate la mingi kabala tep ka North East Indigenous People Forum NEIPF la sang ha kanyo terek ubanai nailor mentau snam arajar kanyo ha Guwahati pat ha kane ka senjok la kan thop lang ro yekit khot bat kinoi lam jong ki kan hon keng atyar kane ka than ki bala e no ya ka kam keng atyar bat Ïaleh da ka snam hadin baradap sange kane ka senjok ha ubanai nailor ha ka arterek mentau ubanai risaupan ha ka sen ka beningkong kane ka senjok kalai kendo ha kane ka rilom khasi jantia ya ka bala pelong da ka Seng Bhalang na kane ka jela Meghalaya kata ka Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People. But ya kani jelang la pelong ha Orchid Lake Resort Umyam ha Riboy District. But ya ka jingelang la penya da Chief Convener jong kani ka senjong u Anup Chetia. U bolong ru u General Secretary Barim jong ka konhon king atia jong ka jela Assam ka Alpha. Hadin balai tai sani ba halor kani kaman ka jingwa Rung Kyrthep ki Mynder sheki jela jong kani ka than ste la mingi bar ka jingyo ala ban perong kerteng ha ka electoral roll. Ka jingelang ha ka singi kla shem karai banyak kon Pyrshah halor kani ka benta bat banit pen sngawru ya kani ka jingma ya ki jaj ban reu lom haman ki yang darbar thau an jong ki nyotli ki chila ki baran ha kani ka than chate la mingi.
The resolutions that we had today was that we will establish the chapters at all the states, in all the states. The Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum will open state chapters in all the states, and we will strengthen the organization by working together with one objective, that is indigenous issues, people facing the indigenous issues. Today, being the first meeting, we have resolved to have one convener from each state, two co-conveners from each state, and all the conveners will be having an apex body which we will announce very soon. The constitution will be drafted, the logo, the slogan, the motto, the flags, all will be designed, and different responsibilities have been assigned to our conveners. One of the major issues that we discussed today is the international boundary that the Northeastern region has to live with. About 5,500 kilometers is the international border they will share. China, Bhutan, including Nepal, Bangladesh and Myanmar. These are the states that all the 7 sisters are bordering. And the distance is about 5,500 kilometers, which is unmanned, which is porous, which is not systematically checked. And one of the impacts of this open, porous international border, the first impact is on all the northeastern states. Therefore, one of our serious concerns is the influx of illegal migrants or immigrants to the northeastern states, which is changing the demographic profile in every aspect, whether it is the property, job facilities. The indigenous people in many of the states are being reduced to the status of minority, and that is one of the important issues that we will focus. The Indigenous Peoples Forum will take on all the challenges, find out all the inherent issues facing different 7 states. We will discuss and bring it to the highest level of our country, whether it is the judiciary or the executive or the legislature, to protect the rights of the indigenous people.